So guys, Elon Musk is currently hiring. In fact, his xAI, his training company, which is xAI, is currently hiring. There are a lot of remote jobs available. If you're a finance expert, if you're a writer, if you're a specialist in so many other fields, if you're a software engineer, if you're a coder, and so many of these things, okay, Elon Musk is currently hiring. His company is currently hiring. You know, Elon Musk currently the richest man in the world, and believe me, they are paying good. Okay, they are paying good. If you could get access to his xAI training company, then I can tell you you are up for something good. So in this video, I will show you the process of how to jump into xAI, how to apply for xAI, and how to go through the assessment. Very, very important. All right, so you just have to watch this video to the end and make sure to subscribe to this channel. If this is the first time you come into this channel, share this video, guys, so that to encourage me to create more videos like this, to share hiring openings like this for you guys, especially if you're into the remote job space or you're just looking for something that you could do with your 9 to 5, something flexible. So guys, let's get right into this video. So guys, like I said, if you're interested in working for Elon Musk's training company, AI training company, which is xAI, then it's simply just click the link in the comment section. It will bring you to xAI, and you know xAI is what you can see on my screen. And this news was what actually got me interested in working with xAI. They raised over $20 billion. $20 billion. You know, this is a lot of money, and in partnership with other agents, other big companies out there. And I saw this news and I was like, well, there's going to be a lot of openings, hiring positions for xAI. So meaning if you jump into xAI right now, you could get access to an opportunity that could change your financial situation. So just hit on the careers. So we're going to the careers. You hit on view open role. All right, so you're going to see open roles right here, but I want you to take note of so many details here, so you don't go and apply for things that are not open to your location. So unlike other platforms I might talk about, xAI has locations that are restricted. You can see some of these locations looking for people in Memphis. I don't know, TN, whether that's Texas or whatever, Palo Alto, California, or something like that. So these are jobs that you cannot apply if you're not from this region. All right, but I'm going to show you guys the specific application I made on xAI. You can see this is it. I made this application as of 10th of January. And you can see I received an email that my application has been reviewed and it's been reviewed. And then I was invited for a test. You can see xAI has invited you to take an assessment. So you would have to take the assessment because there's going to be a deadline for you, January 24th. So very, very important you take note of this. So coming back to the career opportunities, if we scroll down, you're going to see so many opportunities that are not within Nigeria or within Africa. But I'm going to be pointing you guys to opportunities you can apply for if you fit those skills. So you can see we have this opportunity here, which is Palo Alto, California, and also it's remote. It's a remote opportunity. So most of these opportunities, you won't be able to get access to them because they are location specific. Now these are the remote opportunities that are opened for globally. You can see specified remote. They are all specified remote, no location attached, no specific location attached. They are all remote job opportunities. So if you are an AI finance tutor, which was exactly what I applied for, as you can see, this was what I applied for in the previous email. So this was the AI finance tutor that I applied for. So if you are a finance person, you're good in finance, good. If you're good in quantitative finance, if you're good in corporate banking, if you're a finance analyst, portfolio manager, you're good at applied maths, you're good at back-end engineering, biology tutor, you get data science, you're very good at each of these skills. You can see remote, you're a medicine tutor, okay, you're good in physics, you're a good writer, okay, so you can apply for these remote opportunities. These are the ones available globally. You're a multilingual tutor, you speak different languages. Well, that is good. So let's take, for instance, you want to apply for a writing specialist. So you just click on the opportunity and you'll be redirected to this page, as you can see. So this will tell you more about the role. You read through the role, understand what is the required qualification for this role. Okay, make sure you have every necessary thing here, because you know Elon Musk is the richest man in the world and he doesn't joke with his company at all. They are looking for talented individuals, okay, and one thing I'm confident about is you're going to be paid well. I think there was a specification, right? So you can see the compensation ranges from about $40 per hour to over $125 per hour. So there are a lot of things you need to read through to make sure you are a perfect fit for this opportunity, so that you can stand out. Okay, so you're going to just fill in your name, okay, your last name, your email, you select your country, Nigeria. You're going to attach your CV, your resume. You're going to attach your resume. You're also going to attach your cover letter. So make sure to generate both your CV and cover letter if you don't have those. So you're going to select your education, okay, whatever university from. If you're from Lagos, all right, if your school is not here, I think what you're going to have to do at this point, if your school is not here, is maybe just pick a random university from this and impute it in your CV. It doesn't matter, okay? Just check if your university is not here. Just pick any random of this university and put it in your CV. It doesn't matter. Nobody is going to check that. So based on your degree, if you're a bachelor's degree, okay, your discipline, all right, then the start date, end date of these degrees you got. All right, then you can put in other important information. So you can see this is a whole lot of details that you need to put in. All right, so make sure you fill in where necessary and you leave those where necessary. But I think informations that are very needed here are those ones that have asterisks. You can see the asterisks written here in red. So informations that you see have asterisks, you definitely need to fill them. If not, you will not be able to submit this application. So these are opportunities here. If you feel you'll be a good candidate or fit for them, then don't hesitate to apply. All right, so let's just head back to the open roles. So there are other roles here. As far they are remote, then they are open for you worldwide. So don't hesitate to jump in, try your luck. It will be very, very big opportunity for you to be a member of the xAI career team, because it's going to open more doorways for you from other companies seeing that you have worked or you're actively working for xAI. They are going to be open to hire you. So don't miss out on this opportunity. Try to jump into this. So that's all for today, and I'll see you guys in another video.